Morning children, welcome to EVS online class. Today in this class we are going to do exercise part, that is lesson number 1, plants around us. We finished already in previous classes. We did, isn't it, plant around us. So today we are going to do exercise part. So take out your textbook, page number 201. That is 201, page number 201. In that exercise, they are giving no here. See, exercise. So exercise. So in that first main, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blank. See the first one. That first one. Plants have different shapes and dash. Yes. Plants have different shapes and dash. Tell me. Plants have different shapes and yes, size. Yes, size. Z-E. Plants have different shapes and size. Okay. Then come to the second one. Big and tall plants are called. Big and tall plants are called dash. Yes, tell me what we are saying. Big and tall plants. So we are called as trees. Trees. Big and tall plants we are called as trees. Their stems, their stem is very strong, isn't it? Very big and also very strong. Then come to the third one. Excuse me. Small bushy plants are called small bushy plants. Okay. Small bushy plants are called, yes, what? Small and bushy plants are called as shrubs. S-H-R-U-B. Yes, shrubs. Okay. Small and bushy plants are called shrubs. Then come to the fourth one. Rose and cotton plant are. Rose and cotton plant are example of dash. Yes. So rose and cotton plants are example of shrubs. Isn't it, children? S-H-R-U-B-S. There. Non-bushy. So they are bushy plants. Isn't it? They are very small. Small and bushy plants we called as shrubs. Okay, small bushy plants we called as shrubs. So example of shrubs, rose and cotton plant. Then come to the fifth one. Dash have soft thin, soft, thin and weak stems. Dash have soft, thin and weak stems. Which plant? Yes, that is herbs. Herbs. Herbs have soft, thin and weak stem, and also they are non-bushy plants, isn't it? Yes, come to the sixth one. Dash and dash are climbers. Dash and dash are climbers. Which are our climbers? Tell me the example. Yes, that is grapevine. Grapevine, grapevine and money plant. Grapevine and money plant are example of climbers. Okay, see, and the 3 is there, 4 is there. See, first main exercise, that is fill in the blanks. First main, see in your textbook they are given. No, first main fill in the blanks. Yes, in that the dash given. No, in that you write on the answers and you have to practice in the rough note. Practice in rough notebook. Okay, see, we'll recall it once. Yes, plants have different shapes and size. size. Plants have different shapes and size. Then big and tall plants are called as trees. 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 Then small bushy plants are called shrubs. 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 Say while writing the spelling, you say loudly. Rose and cotton plant are dash. Example of shrubs. Shrubs. Okay. Then dash have soft, thin and weak stem. Which plant have soft, thin and weak stem? Herbs. 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 And also they are non-bushy plant. Then dash and dash are climbers. Grapevine. Grape. Vine. Vine. Grapevine and money plant. Money. Money. Plant. Plant. Grapevine and money plant are example of climbers. Okay. So we'll continue. Seventh one. That is the small plants with weak stem. The small plants with weak stems that spread on the ground. That spread on the ground. Spread on the ground are called as dash. Yes, the small plants with weak stem. They can't stand also. If you give support, they can't stand. They are very weak stems. Okay. So it's spread on the ground. That plants we called as what? Creepers. 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 The plants we called as creepers. Okay. Then come to the 8th one. We get most of the food from dash. We get most of the food from dash. We get most of the food from where we get? Yes, from plants. P-L-A-N-T. Plants. Yes, isn't it, children? Yes, we get cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits. These are all the food now. Yes, most of the food we get from plant only. Then come to the next. We take care of dash. We must take care of. We must take care of dash. So we have to take care of plants only. So we should take care of plants. Don't pluck unnecessary leaves, flowers from the plant, isn't no? So time to time we have to pour the water to grow the plant, isn't it, children? They are all God gift, nature gift, isn't it? So we must take care of plants. Understood? Yes. Come to the 10th one. We get dash and dash. We get dash and dash from plants. What we get from plants? We get, food. First one, okay? We get food. And also we get air. Yes. So plants, they are giving oxygen to us, isn't it? So we are giving carbon dioxide to the plant, so they give oxygen to us to breathe, isn't it, children? So we get food and air from plants. So these are all the first main. We recall it once. See, come to the 7th one. The small plants with weak stem that spread on the ground are called as creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. While writing, you should say loudly the spellings. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers. After finishing this, take out your rough note and practice all these spellings, writing 10 times, okay? Then come to the 8th one. We get most of the food from plants. Where we get most of the food? So from plants only. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. We get cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, then a leaf, isn't it? So all we get from plants only. So 9th one, we must take care plants. So we should take care of plants. These plants are nature gift, okay? Don't spoil unnecessary. So don't pluck the leaves, don't pluck the plant also, don't pluck the flowers also unnecessary. So time to time we have to pour the water to plants and we should take care of the plants, isn't it, children? So plant more plants, okay? So then we get dash and dash from plants. So we get food and air. So plants, they are giving oxygen to us to breathe, isn't it? So along they also give food, okay? So we get what we get from plants? We get food and air. F-O-O-D, food and air, A-I-R, air. So this is the first main. Then come to the second main. So they given here picture. So they given some plants picture. You should identify which plants. Okay, whether they are shrubs, herbs, tree, creeper, then climbers. Which plant is this? You should identify, and they given in the box. So if it is tree, you should write T. If it is shrubs, you should write yes. If it is climbers, C. If it is creepers, C. Okay. So first identify the picture and then tell which plant. What type of plants you have to tell. Whether they are trees, shrubs, herbs. See the picture. See. They given 6 pictures, isn't it, children? Yes. See carefully and write. They given the box. That is second main. See first box. Then second box. Then third box. Come to the next. So you should write here. See the first picture. What is this? They are very tall, isn't it? So they are very big and tall. So what we call big and tall plants, we called as trees. Isn't it? Yes, you should write in that box T. Very big and tall plants we called as trees. Come to the next second picture. It's very it's small and bushy. Okay, the stems are weak, but it's bushy plant. Very small also. Small and bushy plant we called as shrubs, right? Yes. Okay. Then come to next third picture. This is very small and the stem are very weak and non-bushy also. There is no bushy. They are only one single stick is like this. Okay. Very thin also. So very thin and weak stem and non-bushy plants we called as herbs. That is, you should write H. Okay. Then come to the fourth picture. It is a cotton plant, isn't it, children? Yes, though it is a bushy also. This is example of shrubs. This is shrubs. Then come to the fifth picture. Fifth one. Look like it's a tall and big, isn't it? Tall and big plant we called as trees. Okay? You write T. And again come, this very thin, the stem are very thin, isn't? They are non-bushy also. So, this thin and weak stem and non-bushy plant we called as herbs. Okay? First one is tree, second shrubs, third one herbs, and fourth one shrubs again, then fifth one tree, and sixth one herbs. Are you understood, children? In this box, we have to write. You should identify picture first. Which plant, whether they are tree, shrubs, herbs, then you have to write. Okay. Then come to the third main. Then come to the third main. What they given? Give 2 example of each type. They are given here trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So you should write 2 example, 2 plants. So 2 plants name you should write. Okay. See, first one. Heading, give 2 examples of each. Give 2 examples. Okay, in that first one, trees. You should write 2 example of trees. Then come to the second one, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S, shrubs. We should write 2 example of shrubs. Then Third one, herbs. H-E-R-B-S, herbs. Again, you have to write two example. Fourth one, climbers. C-L-I-M-B-E-R-S. Come to the fifth one, creepers. C-R-E-P-E-R-S. Now tell me, you know very well, isn't it? Yes, tell me two example of trees. I given homework also. You finish now? Yes, tell me example of trees. That is mango tree, banyan tree, neem tree. Isn't it, children? Any two trees name you should write. Mango tree, neem tree. The spelling is, which one is easy? You should write that. Neem tree. Then shrubs. Example of shrubs. Rose plant, jasmine plant or cotton plant. Rose plant or cotton plant or jasmine plant. Cotton plant. Okay. Then come to the herbs. Example of herbs. Wheat plant and rice plant. Okay. Then climbers. Right? Grapevine and money plant. Then creepers. Watermelon. And then pumpkin. Watermelon and pumpkin plant. Okay. So these are all the example of trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. See, these are all these spellings you should learn. Okay. So this is very important. In this chapter, they are in questions in exam or in test, they'll ask these only. Give to example of trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers are what is meant by trees, what is meant by shrubs, what is meant by herbs, climbers, creepers. Okay. So you should learn these spellings carefully. So trees, example of mango tree, neem tree. M-A-N-G-O, mango, T-R-E-E, tree, neem tree, N-E-E-M, neem, T-R-E-E, tree. Then shrubs, rose plant, R-O-S-E, rose, P-L-A-N-T, plant, and cotton plant, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton, P-L-A-N-T, plant, rose plant and cotton plant. So herbs, example, wheat plant, W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Wheat means godi, you know, no? Wheat plant and rice plant, R-I-C-E, rice, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Then climbers, grapevine, grapes, you know, no? It's very tasty, isn't it, children? Yes. So the grapevine, G-R-A-P-E, grape, V-I-N-E, vine, and money plant, M-O-N-E-Y, money, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Then creepers, example of creepers, watermelon, W-A-T-E-R, water, M-E-L-O-N, melon, pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin. So these are all spread on the ground, isn't it? Yes, these are all climbers. Take support to grow. Isn't it? They need wall or stick, something they need support to grow. And herbs is very non-bushy and weak stem, isn't it? And shrubs, these are bushy plants, okay? And small plant. And trees, they are big and tall plant we called as trees. So these are all the example of trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Then come to the fourth main, as usual, They given answer the following question. No need to write in the textbook. Directly you go to the from PDF to classwork. Isn't it, children? So, okay, then think about it. Say they given prepare list of things you get from plants. How are they useful? Write a sentence about each of them. So, prepare a list of things you get from plants. What are all the things you will get from plants? You should write few, not all. Few things you should write and its uses also. How you are using these. Okay, you should write. This is the homework, but I will write here only and you learn. Okay. That is think. Think about. Okay. That means in that first they given, you should write, prepare a list of things you get from plants. What we get from plants? They given five. Five things you have to write. First one we get from plants. What we get? Main food, isn't it? So come to the second one. What we get? Fruits. Then third one, wood we get. And fourth one, medicine. So medicine also we get from plants only. And oil. So all these things we get from plants. So now you have to write the uses of food. So if you take a food, what it happens? So food gives us energy, isn't it? So it gives us energy, gives us energy. Okay, so gives us energy. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy. Fruits and also we get vegetable, not only fruits and vegetable. So what we get from fruits and vegetables? So keeps us healthy, keeps us healthy. Uses of this. Okay. Fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Wood. So wood we to make houses and furnitures we use wood to make furnitures, tables, doors and windows. Furniture, okay. So to make furniture, we are using the wood, okay. So then medicine. Some plants leaves useful to medicine. So some plants leaves we are using as a medicine. That example. So neem plant, mint plant, isn't it? So these are all the plants we are using as a medicine. Some plants. Some plants leaf, some plants leaf useful to medicine. Okay. Then oil. Some plant seeds gives us oil. So some plants seeds gives us oil. Okay, children. See example coconut and that is Kadlakai bija, you know, no? Yes, that coconut and what we call groundnut. Okay, coconut and groundnut seeds we use as coconut. We use as a oil, and we use as a water, and we use as a so coconut tree is useful in many ways, and groundnut seeds we are eating and we are using as a oil also, and we are use that groundnut seeds for food, preparing food, isn't it? So these are all the things we get from plants. First, we get from plants food, fruits and vegetables, wood, medicine, and oil. These are all. We are using food as a food. What it gives? It gives us energy. Gives us energy, and fruits and vegetables keeps us healthy. Wood we to make furniture. We are using wood, and medicine. Some plants leaf we are using as a medicine also. Oil, some plant seeds we gives us oil, isn't it, children? These are all the helpful from plants. So this is about plants around us, and in the next lesson, animals. Second lesson is there, animals around us. We will see in the next class. Before that, you should go through once plants around us, the textbook. You read once textbooks, understand and learn all the spellings, difficult words I given now. So you should learn, and also you should learn fill in the blanks, question answers. It will come from PDF through PDF. So you should learn. You should prepare it. Okay, you should ready for. If you are given test also, you should ready to write. So okay, thank you. We'll see in next class. Okay, thank you, children.